Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the course of the revolt of 1857. We all know that it started from West Bengal, Barakpur, and the name of the person is Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey and the other soldiers, when they came to know about the greased cartridges of Enfield rifle, they got very angry, and Mangal Pandey started the revolt. Because of this, at Barakpur, 29th March 1857, now in this, he attacked over his army
He's a
commander.
brutal army man. How dare they try to insult our religion?
Hey, you! What the hell are you trying to prove?
The British Army.
The British army arrested Mangal Pandey and he was hanged on 8th April 1857, 10 days before the actual date. But he was considered as the martyr and it inspired all the other soldiers to revolt. As a consequence, the Indian army was disbanded. So, what do we feel? Was it the end of the revolt? No. Because of it, all the other soldiers at Meerut contingency they got united, and 10th May 1857 they joined the military and captured all the weapons of the British. They attacked and destroyed all the British buildings, and this you can say was the beginning of the revolt of 1857. In this, not only the soldiers but all the common people also joined. Even at various places like Lucknow, Kanpur, and Bareilly, common people also joined. Zamindar and Talukdars, because of land revenue policies, were very angry. They also joined this revolutionary people. They attacked all the rich people and even the zamindars as well as the rich communities of India. Their documents and bahikhatas were burnt. The local rulers had joined these revolutionaries and supported them with resources. Bahadur Shah Zafar was made as the ruler from Delhi, Begum Hazrat Mahal from Lucknow, Nana Sahib joined from Kanpur, Rani Lakshmi Bai supported from Jhansi, and Kumar Singh from Jagdishpur, Bihar. These were the major leaders and rulers. Some sannyasis also joined the revolutionaries. Everywhere, the revolutionaries were attacking the Britishers and giving them a huge loss. Now, how was it possible? Everywhere, they joined with each other, and all the soldiers and sipais they had a very good communication system during those strict times also. With the militaries, their supporters also passed from place to place and passed on the messages, and by this, the message of the revolt spread out from one place to another one, and the revolt easily spread into various parts. There were social, political, military, and other reasons which supported in spreading this revolt. Not only this, some rumors were also there which helped in spreading of this revolt. And because of these rumors, Indians were very angry against the British rule. Now let's see some of those important rulers, like introduction of Enfield cartridges, flour contamination done by the British. Some prophecies were also done, like Battle of Plassey 1757. Now 1857 the revolt started, so they said now British rule will end. Chapatis were distributed from place to place by carrying the messages of end of the British rule. That's why we can say the revolt of 1857 is also called as the first war of independence, in which not only the Indian soldiers but all the various sections of the society joined. The reasons for that were like the reforms done by General William Bentinck and other things, like they had set up various English institutions, schools, colleges, and universities to spread Western culture and Western art and craft. Because of this, the Indians started believing these rumors. The reforms like ban on sati, child marriage, widow remarriage angered Indians more. Christian missionaries also made Indians very angry. So all these things was considered as a threat to Indian culture and tradition, and all the Indians joined against the British army and British rule, and that you can say was the major reason for the success of this revolt of 1857. Maybe it was a very short lived from 1857 to 1859 only, but it was, you can say, the first battle of independence or first war of independence which joined all the Indian sections against the British. So that's all in this. Remaining we'll see in next class.